Yo, after another hiatus, one of many, just gonna jump into like top down analysis for all three pairs, right? And then take it from there. Starting off with Euro USD on the daily chart after a few months of pushing down, it finally had the break there. Finally had the break here on this daily swing. Okay, that's the new high. And then we have a daily reaction to this daily low right here. Daily low right there, right? Swing high there. Can remove that. And the daily is bearish. Cool. For our same, still bearish, right? Now we're in the swing run of the low. I could see it touching here and then just continuing lower, or we could have a much deeper pullback like previously, right? On the previous break, had the break here, deep pullback, and then another swing run. Could have the same where break there and then deep pullback and then another swing run. So I think for today, all I'm doing is just updating the charts, right? That's all there is to it. Updating the charts, top-down analysis. Need to leave these internals in there. That's not one thing I'm having an issue with is my mouse. I need a new mouse. This one is tripping nutsacks. Tripping balls. Internal, maybe there, yes. This obviously will be the internal low. Could also have this as the internal low, right, where we have the move up, right? Sustained move up, clear move down, clear move up, and then this be the internal, right? And then we follow the internal. That would be the anticipation that the swing low is gonna hold for now, and we have a deeper pullback. But for now, I'm not gonna speculate on that, right? Give myself a few days to get back into the feel of things, right? get comfortable again, right, with my biases and everything, and then and only then will I start formulating hypothesis and whatnot, right? What do I think will happen? This, that, and the third. For now, it's just analysis, right? Analysis, breaking the threshold of willpower needed to start is it's my only focus as of now. I haven't been serious for many a day, and trying to get back on the horse in a much better way, much healthier way. This is internal here. What does it say? Boss, internal high. It will make this a break, which will then make this internal low. 50-minute internal low. Okay, that's it for USD and then GU. Starting off with the daily. Still basically trapped in this swing high and swing low here, but the trend clearly is going lower, so the internal would be there, just a fake out. So we'll just see what happens from there. 4 hours should give us a better understanding. The 4 hours same basically as the daily, but I think the internal is better because this would be the internal low here. Actually not internal low, but internal break. A 4 hour internal break there, and then a 4 hour internal high here, and 4 hour internal low here, right? Expectation obviously would be for the internal to hold and then move lower, but of course, as it is after hours, chances of that are pretty much lower. 15 minutes, it does look like it's moving up. Basically the swing high obviously it's gonna move down here, swing high right here, and then break of structure. Oh Jesus, oh fuck am I doing now? apparently this low here just fucking didn't exist. It was what, it takes 6 years to materialize. 15-minute boss, 15-minute swing high. 15-minute swing high there, 15-minute swing low. Minutes swing low here. Right, and then again attack the internal. Here, down, break. I think the last decent break would have been there. Should make this the low. Internal low, and of course expectation is for the swing high to hold, right? Same as the 4-hour internal, as the 4-hour swing is bearish, right? So for the buyers to confirm, you'd obviously like to see the internal low go, pull back into a decent POI, and then look for sells continuing lower like this. Alright, 15-minute at this point is bearish. And then finally USD CAD, starting off with the daily as well. Anyway, daily is clearly bullish, right? Clearly bullish on the daily, even written it in capital letters. Right, daily bullish, 4 hours pretty much going to be parabolic as well. Is pretty much parabolic as well. Daily bullish, 4-hour low here. I think at this point it's way better to focus on this price action here, which I'll take as the internal for our IPOS there, for our internal low there, and swing high slash 4-hour swing high slash 4-hour internal high. Alright, just focus on this. Obviously, as things stand, looking for the continuation, right? Pullback, continuation, easy as that. In terms of POIs, we don't have a great pivot except this little zone here. This little zone here, which kind of just does include all of this. Not the best zone, honestly, but if you can look at this, this is a chalk, right? Chalk and then chalk up, which gives us a little bit more credibility. It hasn't touched here, so probably will move up. And then on the 15 minutes, clearly boss there, swing low holding there. $50-minute boss here. makes this the swing low here. $15 swing low, came back into the 4-hour. Internal right here, internal is bullish now, which means the 50-minute is prime for buys. Yeah, I might jump in tomorrow immediately looking for buys. My bias is obviously to the upside, so expectations would be pull back in here and then just go higher. Look for 1 hour POI. Right, on the 1 hour you'd have the boss there, swing low, reaction, pivot. Right, technically the pivot would be down here, but this is also like an inside bar slash reaction here. So maybe there's something on the 1 hour here, on the 1 hour there, and then $50-minute pivot would be down here, which did get tested by this, so I wouldn't actually like this M15 zone here. Rather, what I would wait for would be something like from here. Say we come into this 15-minute zone, I'd rather wait for a change of character, right? Like let's say here, for example, up here, but that's too far. It's already, the move will be already done by then. Like maybe a change of character here and then look for a stronger POI in here to buy from there, right? There's something like this happens and you have like a stronger POI in there, something like this. I think that would be the idea for me, but looking very primed for the buys. So yeah, this is just a get back into the markets thing. So yeah, carry on tomorrow maybe. If not, it is what it is. Just come back Wednesday. If not, come back Thursday. But gotta do something. Yeah, peace.